Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sayyiduna Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, وَأَقْضَاهُمْ Ali ibn Abi Talib. The best judge of my ummah is Ali bin Abi Talib. And Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu himself told us the reason. What was the reason behind it? He said, Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam sent me to Yemen. And I said, O Messenger of Allah, you are sending me to judge between them while I am a young man and I do not know how to judge. Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck me my chest with his hand and prayed for me. Allahumma hdi qalbahu wa thabbit lisanahu. O Allah, guide his heart and make his tongue steadfast. Sayyidina Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, Ma shakaktu ba'du fi qada'im bayna ithnain. I never doubted after that in passing judgment between two people. Viewers, you can see Book of Ibn Majah, Hadith number 154 and 2310.